can feel the wind quite a lot, pushing the car side to side. So let's talk life, guys. Let's talk about some wisdom. I want you guys to remember that where you are today, you might feel depressed, you might feel sad, you might not even be happy with where you're at, but you need to zoom out. Especially if you've tried doing different things and you're a few months into, a new hobby or a new business. In the short term, you could have a bad week, you could have a bad day, but you really just gotta rewind and I should say zoom out instead of rewind, because you're probably a lot further ahead than you were a month ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, a year ago. And that's what you gotta focus on. Even when things seem, unimaginable in terms of how bad they are, all you have to do is take one day at a time. And that's all it is. Little wins every day, they compound. So, in my worst moments, in the times where I've lost the most money or been in the biggest problem that you could imagine, you know what I mean? With people, with finances, with my job, it's very important to remember that you take things one day at a time, and generally it will get better, 1 month becomes 1 week. Sorry, 1 day becomes 1 week, 1 week becomes 1 month. Definitely feel the wind today, guys. But I want you to also remember, guys, that there are people out there, who have come from nothing and made millions of dollars, and they've also faced a lot of issues on the way up, and even after you consider them to have made it, they can go through crazy situations. You can have people who invest other people's money, and then the market crashes, and now their investors are suing them, and they might be going through a divorce, and even though they have millions of dollars, their net worth is now shrinking rapidly, they're losing their family. And in those situations, money isn't everything, you know what I mean? And so when you look around, when you just don't know what people are going through, you know what I'm saying? And in life, people are more important than money. Experiences are more important than money. And if you can keep a positive mindset even in your worst days, you will forge new friendships, new relationships, and new opportunities will come forward to you that will take you to a level that you never thought possible. And it's all because, you made sure that even on your darkest days, you still showed up with a positive attitude. And that is really the difference, There's grit, which is showing up and actually doing the work, and then there's attitude. And if you can combine grit with attitude, you're literally unbeatable. Like, no one will be able to take anything from you. No matter how much money is in your bank account, no matter what job you have, you will be living a positive, intentional life. And that's really what life is about. And people will be attracted to that type of energy, In Atlanta, it's funny, the flashiest people generally have the most issues and may not be, as wealthy as you think they are. They wear designer clothes, they got the Lambos, maybe some exotic cars, but to be honest, it can all be a front. And a lot of people, what they do, especially to gain social media clout, is they will rent out, locations, cars, and make it seem like they're living a certain way. And that can come back to haunt you, you know what I mean? If you live an intentional life and you're authentic from the get-go, you're never gonna have to deal with that bullshit. whole exchange is ridiculous for traffic. Every day builds up on those 2 lanes. What a car, guys. Honestly, ridiculous. In fact, with the space that we have, why not take advantage of it? Run a log real quick. All right, let's start logging. I don't even know if the car's connected. It's not connected, guys. Hold on now.